Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my lecture. I am Kim Shoaid Islam, a lecturer of Scholars School and College. Today I will teach you Islam and Moral Education, Class 5, Chapter 2. Short questions with answers from the exercise of the textbook. Students, these questions you will get at the last page of chapter 2 in the exercise page, and I have written questions and answers also here, so we can start now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Short questions with answers from the exercise of the textbook. Question number 1. What is ibadat? Answer. Ibadat is an Arabic word. It means allegiance, slavery, obedience to Allah, and to abide by the orders of Allah. Obedience to Allah's orders, positive or negative, is ibadat. Then question number 2. Why has Allah created us? Answer. Allah has because Allah has created us for His ibadat only. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Jariyah ayat 56, I have created jinn and mankind for my ibadat only. And then question number 3. How many rukan are there in Islam? Answer. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Islam is established on 5 rukans. Rukan means pillars. These 5 pillars are Iman, Salat, Saum, Zakat, and Hajj. And then 4 number. Write down the names of 5 times the Salat. Answer. The names of 5 times Salat: Fajr, Zohor, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. And 5 number. Who is a Musafir? Everybody know this. Musafir is an Arabic word. Musafir is an Arabic word. It means traveler. If anybody intends to travel to a place having the distance of 48 miles or about 80 kilometers, then he is called a Musafir or traveler. Question number 6. What are the forbidden times for the Salah? Answer. The Prophet ﷺ has forbidden performance of Salah on 3 occasions. These are just at the time of sunrise, and then just at midday, and during sunset when the sun starts setting down. We can say it by this way. And then 7 number question. What is ahkam? Answer. There are some compulsory actions, activities which are required to be done before starting Salah. The Salat are known as ahkam of Salah. These conditions are 7 in number. Students, listen. Ahkam will be before starting the Salat. Ahkam before starting the Salat. And Arkan in the middle Salat. Okay. 8 number. In the middle of the Salat. Okay, understand? Both are same, but Ahkam before starting Salat and Arkan in the middle of Salat. And then 9 number. What is Saum? Answer. The Saum is an Arabic word. It means self-control. According to Islamic terminology, to abstain from eating and drinking and some other activities from dawn to dusk. Dusk is called Saum, and it is called Roza in Persian language. And 10 number. How many divisions are made in the month of Ramadan considering the fazilat of Roza? That means Saum. Answer. The month of Ramadan has been divided into 3 parts relating to its fazilats. Verse and fazilat same. These are First part mercy, second part maghfirat, third part najat or freedom. And then 11 number, what is the zakat? Answer: zakat is an Arabic word. It means cleanliness, purity, and growing. In Islamic terminology, paying a definite portion of wealth of a Muslim as per the principles laid down for it to some eligible poor persons. This is called zakat. And then hajj. Hajj is an Arabic word. It means to desire, to wish, desire to visit a holy place, Kaaba, in order to achieve closeness to Allah and His satisfaction. Performing some rituals on fixed date and time at fixed place with uniform is called Hajj. And then 13 number, how many forms compulsory are there in the Hajj? What are they? This answer: there are 3 forms in the Hajj. These are: number 1, wearing ihram; number 2, wukuf or staying at the field of Arafat; tawakuf, wukuf or staying at the field of Arafat on the 9th Zulhijjah month; and 3 number, tawaf ziyarat. That means the third form of Hajj is ziyarat around the Holy Kaaba. And then 14 number, what is Qurbani? Answer: Qurbani is an Arabic word, everybody know. It means nearness, sacrifice, and dedication. In Islamic terminology, sacrificing domestic four-footed halal animals, four-footed, like camels, cows, buffaloes, and sheep, from 10 to 12 Zulhijjah. From 10th Zulhijjah to 12th Zulhijjah, in order to satisfy Allah, is called Qurbani. If anyone will sacrifice another day except these days, then will not be Qurbani. So only fixed time, 10 to 12 Zulhijjah. And then Akika. What is Akika? Answer: Akika is an Arabic word which means break, to cut, slaughtering, and halal animals like that of Qurbani. Same. Domestic four-footed halal animal should be. In the name of Allah, on the 7th day after the child is born, desiring the safety and welfare of the child, is called Akika. Students, here 15 questions are discussed, only the questions of exercise of chapter 2. And the next lecture we discuss about creative short question of chapter 2. Okay. Okay, thank you. Best wishes. KM Shadul Samsar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.